How to resolve the issue with TikTok not letting you change profile photo? Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure your internet is working properly. Now head to the Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for TikTok. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now scroll down. Now go to your home screen, keep holding the TikTok icon and tap on App Info. Now click on Force Stop, go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Delete and re-log into your account. I hope this should say soon. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.